Good morning, everyone. Paul here for Prestige Binary Options, and welcome to a brand new update for BitBubble Tech. Today is Monday, the 26th of February. So we are at the beginning of a brand new trading week, guys. And as we do every single week, we are back to provide you with another live trading session using the BitBubble Tech and following its automated signals. So this will be a great updated source, guys, that you can use if you're interested in learning more about BitBubble Tech. You'll be able to see exactly how to use the software properly. You're going to see us play some live trades just by following the automated signals automatically provided for us by the software. But in addition, guys, as we do with all live trading videos, we will also wait for those trades to expire and we will review the results at the end. So in addition to being able to see how easy it is to use the software, you'll also be able to see how you can apply this software so you can make money and profit through the cryptocurrency market. Now, of course, guys, before we get started, do not forget to like our videos and be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you get notifications on all of our future updates, and be sure that you check out all information located down below in our video descriptions for additional information as well. So guys, as you know, we've been using BitBubble Tech for several weeks, guys. It's a simple automated trading software, one that specifically targets cryptocurrencies. And what the program does, guys, is it analyzes the markets and it provides you with suitable signals which you can take anytime depending on current market conditions. And what's great about the software, guys, is that, it provides you, each signal provides you with everything that you need in order to initiate a trade. So if you are a beginner, guys, if you're looking for a way to get involved in online trading and cryptocurrencies, the BitBubble Tech application is a great choice that you want to start with. And I'm going to show you step by step in this video how you apply these trades into your broker in order to make a trade and also collect the profits. Now, a couple of things I do want to remind you guys is that BitBubble Tech is available for most countries, but not all of them. So if for whatever reason, guys, if you're having issues either accessing the website or signing up to open your own account, please feel free to email me directly at prestigebinary@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to send you some easy tips that you can use in order to gain access, sign up, and start profiting with BitBubble Tech today. Now, another thing I also want to remind you as well is that last week we created this video, and this is in regards to some safety tips and principles that I use for online trading. And this doesn't necessarily apply to only BitBubble Tech, but it also applies to other methods of trading as well. So it's a great video, guys, where we go over ways of limiting your risks, maximizing your profitability, so that way you can have a more profitable trading experience. So if you want to see this video, guys, you can watch it anytime by clicking the icon on the top right hand corner of this screen. Now, earlier this morning, guys, I did a quick trading session using BitBubble Tech, so we can go over some of my latest results here in my broker. If we scroll down below here, we have a handful of trades, a total of 5 trades. And what's great about these trades, guys, is that from these trades, we only lost one of them, which was the Monero versus the US dollar. We have 4 other trades involving the Dash, Litecoin, Bitcoin versus US dollar, and Dash versus the USD. And as you can see, we had a profitable trading session. So with 4 winning trades and only 1 loss, we made a total profit so far of $108, which is a great way to start, guys. And again, this is all just by following the signals that are automatically provided for us by BitBubble Tech. So let's do a quick trade, guys. So that way you can see how to apply these signals accordingly, so that way you can generate some profits yourself. So let's look at this trade, guys. We're going to be looking at the Ethereum versus the US dollar. So with each signal, it provides you with everything that you need to know. We have the date of the signal, which of course is for today, Ethereum versus the US dollar. And in this case, according to BitBubble Tech, it is predicting a call. So basically it's saying that the value of this cryptocurrency pair will increase. Now we have a certainty of success, which is 93%, which is pretty high. And we also have a trend expiration of today at 19:23 GMT. So let me just clarify a common confusion here, guys. So we have the trend expiration at 19:23, and according to our broker, it is only 13:30 GMT. So this does not mean that you have to take a trade that's going to last like 5 or 6 hours. We have actually tried different expiration rates, anywhere between 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, and even 1 hour. And, depending on the method that you are looking into, you can apply these different expirations through these signals. And it's a key element that makes BitBubble Tech very versatile. But again, what I recommend traders to do, guys, is when you are playing around with BitBubble Tech and its signals, I recommend that you practice first. Use a demo account or use a paper trade if you don't have a demo account, and just play around with different expirations so that way you can see which one you're most comfortable with. Now, in this occasion, guys, what we're going to do is try to target a 15 to 30-minute expiration dependent on what's available in our broker. So what we do is we target the Ethereum versus US dollar for a call position. So we go to our broker here, look for the Ethereum versus US dollar asset, which should be, here it is. All right, Ethereum versus the US dollar. So it is currently 13:30 GMT, and we're going to target a 15-minute trade for 13:45. Now, of course, pay attention to the trade amounts, guys. Make sure that it is the trade value that you want. And according to BitBubble Tech, this is going to be for a call. So we just simply click the call button and approve it. Okay, perfect. Now, if we scroll down below, we go to our open orders, and there's our trade, guys. There's the Ethereum versus the US dollar for a call position as predicted by BitBubble Tech. So this trade, guys, is going to last a little under 15 minutes from now. So this gives us plenty of time for our trade to fluctuate and hopefully hit our targeted direction. So as you saw, guys, it is as simple as basically, just listening and following what BitBubble Tech is automatically providing for us. Choose the signal that you want, pay attention to of course, whether it's a call or put, and also pay attention to the trend expiration. Make sure that you do not trade past the trend expiration time. So let's say right now, guys, if we took the Dash versus the US dollar and it is currently 1900 GMT, we would not want to take this trade because remember the trend expiration is at 1840. So the time had already passed and you just end up putting yourself at risk for a potential loss. So that is why, so just pay attention to the details, guys, and apply the signals as you saw me do right here on my connected broker. So in the meantime, guys, since we still have some time until this trade will expire, what we're going to do, we'll quickly pause this video and then we will return within our software in our broker and we will review the results of that trade. So stay tuned, guys. Do not go anywhere and we'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, we are back. Time is up. It is a little bit before 1400 GMT, so that means those trades are now expired. We can review the results. Remember, guys, that when you are using BitBubble Tech, in order to actually review your trade histories, you do have to go into the broker that you are using. However, you can also use your balance as a reference, and as you can see, we do have a slight increase, which does indicate that we had a profitable trade. So let's go back into our broker, guys, and let's review the results. If we scroll down here, we have our trades, guys. We now have that Ethereum versus the US dollar for a call as predicted by BitBubble Tech, which came actually very close. We entered a little after 874.137 and it closed just on 875 on the dot for an additional profit of $39.50. So this gives us a grand total, guys, for the day of 5 profitable wins, 1 loss, which was the Monero versus the US dollar, gives us a total profit of $147.50. So $150, guys, just within a matter of minutes of using BitBubble Tech, following its signals, placing them on my broker as you saw me do. This is how you use the software, guys, and this is how you can generate some significant profits. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope it was helpful in giving you a better understanding on how easy it is to use this software. It doesn't matter if you're an experienced trader or if you've never traded online before. The BitBubble Tech is a great app which you can use to your advantage and make money online. So if you are interested, guys, check out all the information below. You can click the link, get your own free copy, and start profiting with BitBubble Tech today. If you have any questions, guys, feel free, comment on my videos or email me directly at prestigebinary@gmail.com. And don't forget, like our videos and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching our latest BitBubble Tech live trading update of the week. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you soon.